Hey everybody, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt. I'm gonna make another video today. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, first off, here's the one from my last video. It dried really nice. Kind of dark, the dark violet turned really dark, but other than that, looks pretty good. So there's that one. So on with the next. And I'm going to use a 10 by 10 canvas today, and I'm going to use colors that complement the orange 10 by 10 that I did. So if somebody wants a set, they'll be good. So I have a warm gray that's going to be the background. Stick out of there. Orange and gray look pretty good together. Canvas covered. We're getting ready to go on vacation on August. We're going to be leaving the weekend of the 8th. We'll be back on the 23rd. I'm trying to get videos caught up where I won't miss a video. I'm trying really hard, but there might be a couple videos missing. I hope not, but I'm going to try really hard. But there's just a lot of appointments. I've got to help with my grandkids and just a lot of appointments for myself and kind of get ready for a 2-week trip. It's just, I'm trying to get everything situated, so I hope I don't miss any, but if I do, I apologize. Torch to get the air bubbles out. It's that. I don't know if that's something in my paint. Check it out. Or if it was just, nope, something in my paint. Don't want that. All right, so I think I'll start with, all the colors will be listed in the description box below the video. But this is quinacridone magenta, which is a beautiful color. I love it. Then we have a cobalt light blue hue. And a light lavender. They're all supposed to go pretty good with gray and orange, so. And some white. That's what it said when I looked it up, what colors go good with orange. Okay, I got my little handy dandy blower. So we're gonna try it, and if that doesn't work, then I have my straw. Don't want to use my hair dryer because it'll blow it too much for this small of a canvas. So here we go. Oops. I was wondering when that was going to happen. This way some more. And get the gray blown over some too. That'll help. The orange, I had to go back over and paint the sides. So I'll probably have to do it with the gray also, but that's all right. That's turning out really pretty. How far I want to take it, but that's all right. We'll try it. Gosh, that's pretty. Let's see what we got. Let me get my foot stuck in there. All right. Boy, that sure does look good. I don't think I need my, well, that didn't turn out right. Don't think I need my straw at all. Good, because I dropped it on the floor. I think that looks great. I want to remind you all that I have my Etsy store open. There's free shipping on everything. So if you're interested, the link to it is at the bottom on the drop down. So that's a good deal right now to get free shipping on anything that you might like. This is really pretty. Let me give it another torch. I see some air bubbles in there. I don't want to get anything on this. I have the orange one right here. You can move this one over just a little bit. If you can see it, see how well they go together? If you want those as a set, really pretty. Okay, give you a close-up. Look at those colors. Really nice together. All right, I want to thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you so desire. Like I said, there's free shipping on my Etsy store right now. So everybody please go and have a look. Share with your family and friends. I sure do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And please, everybody have a great day.